Hi, I'm Wendy Solganic, founder of Willa Workshops and Fodder School. I want to start by asking you a question. When was the last time you lost yourself in making something? Not scrolling, not answering emails, not worrying about the news, not thinking about your to-do list. When was the last time you sat down and made something with your hands simply because it brought you joy? Because here's what I've learned after years of teaching thousands of creative people. Most of us are carrying around way too much stress, too much noise, too many responsibilities, too many reasons to put ourselves at the bottom of the list. And yet, when we make art, something remarkable happens. Our breathing slows down, our shoulders relax, our minds get quieter. We remember who we are. That is what Fodder School is really about. Yes, we make painted papers. Yes, we experiment with collage, fabric, stitching, mark making, mixed media art, and all sorts of wonderful creative techniques and projects. But those are simply the vehicle. The real magic is what happens to us while we are creating. Every year we begin with the Fodder Challenge. The Fodder Challenge is a month-long creative experience designed to help you play, experiment, and create beautiful handmade objects that can be used in your future work. It is joyful, it's approachable, it's inspiring, it's fast-paced, and most importantly, it gets you making. Then we continue the journey with Fodder School 6. 10 incredible teachers, 11 months of creative exploration, an entire year dedicated to learning, growing, experimenting, and filling your life with more creativity. But what makes Fodder School special is not just the lessons, it's the people. Over the years, this community has become a creative home for artists all over the world. People who encourage one another, celebrate one another, learn from one another, and remind each other that creativity is not a luxury. It's a way of caring for ourselves. You do not need to be an experienced artist. You do not need to be naturally talented. And you do not need to finish every lesson. You simply need a willingness to show up and make something. If you are looking for more peace, more joy, more creativity, and more connection in your life, I would love for you to join us. Come make art with us. The world will still be waiting when you're done. But I have a feeling you will feel a whole lot better.